Hello everyone, today let's talk about TC oil seal. This seal is made of rubber and this color is a black color. It is a NAK oil seal and it is a TC oil seal. This is the size. This internal diameter is 220, external diameter is 260, and the sink is 60. This thing is 80. It also with a spring. It has with spring and with skeleton. This is a black color. We also have red-brown color. We can provide the customers the service. It also have many following features. The first one is recognizes at low temperature with longer service life and more wear resistance. High temperature resistance and oil leakage prevention, good brush resistance, good structure, aging resistance, and if you like this, just send us our inquiries. We can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.